NFC has published its official roadmap, and things are about to get super convenient. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. The tech behind tap and pay and transit cards, NFC is getting one of the biggest upgrades in its history. According to a new roadmap from the NFC forum, it'll see some major changes in 2026, and they could completely change how you use that tiny tap. The NFC transfer rates will increase 8 times. That means tapping 2 devices together could soon move far more data far more quickly, putting NFC in Bluetooth's territory. Sharing files, pairing accessories, or setting up devices could become nearly instant. But it's not just about speed. The roadmap also promises a more flexible NFC experience, like you can take multiple actions with a single tap. Imagine paying for something, unlocking, and checking in all at once. Security is getting a serious boost too. The NFC forum wants tighter rules for verifying devices to make sure your phone always knows exactly what it's connecting to and why, because an extra layer of security wouldn't hurt when everything's about digital wallets. NFC is also pushing on digital keys. Phones could soon unlock more than cars or hotel rooms and become master keys for homes and offices. And this won't take ages, as roadmap features often arrive within a year or two. And with Apple, Google, Samsung, and Qualcomm all on board, we can see the change soon. So get ready, NFC is about to get faster and smarter. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.